are solving May 2025 IAL Unit 2 question number 4. There is a merger between Tastee PLC and SnakTime PLC. And the first part B of the question was about purchase consideration. Now part C, prepare in the books of Tastee realization account. So let's prepare the realization account. So since the Tastee is going to be merged and becomes a new entity, all its assets and liabilities are transferred to this realization account, where it will be closed off. Okay, after calculating the profit or the loss and the realization, okay, which includes a purchase consideration offered. Okay, purchase consideration offered to the shareholders. Now let's calculate this. Let's write all the assets on the debit side. So it has the following assets and the values are given in the statement of financial position. So let's just write all the same non-current assets: property, plant and equipment, fixtures and fittings, computer system, motor vehicles. Let's also write the current assets, which are inventory, trade receivables, bank and cash. Okay, these are transferred to the debit side of the realization account. Now let's write the non-current liabilities, which are the mortgages, and the current liability, which is the trade payables. So you will transfer all the liabilities to the credit side of the realization account. Now let's write the purchase consideration, which is offered to the shareholders. Okay, that is, some shares are being issued to the existing shareholders of Tastee PLC because a merger is being formed, and they have to be given the valuation amount, okay, of the merger, because they are also a part of shareholders. Let's write all the values of the non-current assets and current asset. First one is a property, plant and equipment. It is valued at 3,136,000. Then you have fixtures and fittings, which is valued at 209,000. Then computer system is valued at 72,000 pounds. Motor vehicle, it is valued at 55,000 pounds. Next, bank is valued at 49,000 pounds. So inventory, which is valued at 75,000 pounds. Trade receivables, which is valued at 16,000 pounds. Bank, which is valued at 49,000 pounds. Okay, and cash, which is valued at 35,000 pounds. So these will be transferred to the realization account and they will be closed off. This book of Tastee PLC will be closed off. Okay, after transferring, okay, into the accounts of realization account and sundry shareholders account. So mortgages is around 1038. Trade payables are around 217,000 pounds. Purchase consideration is 2,280,000 pounds. You have to include at the top thousands. Okay, so the value is in thousands. Now let's add up on both the sides and see whether there was a profit on realization or a loss on realization. Okay, so if the So if it is a profit, okay, the mortgages, trade payables and purchase consideration, okay, value will become more than the total of asset, and you will have to include profit on realization on the debit side. So let's add up. So 3136 plus 209 plus 72 plus 55 plus 75 plus 16 plus 49 plus 35, that is 3647. Now let's add mortgages and trade payables and purchase consideration. 1038 plus 217 plus 2880. So the value is going to be 4135. Now we can see that credit side value is greater than the debit side value. The difference will be accounted as profit on realization, and this is going to be transferred to the Sunrise shareholders account. 3647. So the difference in value is the profit on realization that has happened, okay, because your purchase consideration plus liability has become more than the asset value of the business. So you have basically, the Tastee Burger PLC was offered a profit, okay, it has got profit on realization. So the value is 488,000, okay. So this is the realization account.